Almost at TJMAXX, and you can see why I shop a lot, because I have Varsona right there, TJMAXX and Home Goods right there. I'm driving so you can't see. Next to it is Ross, Michael's, Daiso, like they're all in line, guys. Then Ulta right there. So when I come, I just go one round, and then Target right there. So that, and I love this like strip here. I just walk from one side to the other. Even there's Kroger on the other side there, so everything is in like one place here. So let's go to not Ross, TJMAXX right now. After that I may have to stop at Target because I want to get a few more eggs, and the eggs, like you saw in Sam's Club, they were out. There was not even a single egg there. So I already have a lot of eggs, but my kids like eat a lot. I also eat a lot of eggs, so that's why I think I'm going to go get at least one pack from Target once I finish here. And there is Ulta, and I don't know if the 21 days of beauty has started already. I don't know. Yeah, it might have started already. I may have to check, see what they have today. And then there's Ross, and it looks like people are shopping, but I guess it's not as rush as usual. Otherwise it'll be really jam-packed. But it seems like I may get a parking in the front, which usually I think that it's not too rush. Okay guys, I'm just going to park right now. Not too bad at TJMAXX. That's it, guys. It's a photo product. Guys, I ended up buying something, so I will show you in my next haul maybe. I ended up buying a bag actually.